So today we're taking a look at this wonderful case for the Switch 2. We have got a Switch 2 and we obviously want to take care of it, particularly when we are travelling. We don't want it to get any damaged in any way or splashed or any sort of bangs or knocks. So we've invested in the carry case to go with it. The reason why we like this one is because it is very ultra slim. It is not loads of padding, so it's going to be really good for travelling and just storing away. It's going to be really good to keep it away. It's got a really useful handle, so if you are moving it around you can grab hold of it without worrying about dropping it, which obviously is a concern. It does have the dual zip with the nice grasp zipper clasp there, so you can zip it either side just for that extra inconvenience. And here we go, it can hold 12 games as well. Get rid of that there. So you've got your containers there for 12 little games, so you're going to be really protected. Probably get a few more in there, to be honest. And this is also really nice foam. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's a really nice thick foam, so it's definitely going to protect your device from being damaged. And let's just pop it in there. As you can see, it's got the cradle holes there. Pop it in there. You've got that nice soft on there to protect your screen. It zips up really nicely there. So absolutely fabulous. It's really nice and stylish. It's going to be bang resistant, splash resistant as well. And just a really nice, convenient little way to protect and store your Switch 2. Wonderful little case. Yeah, so far it looks absolutely awesome. So thumbs up from us.